Hey everyone, today I will be unboxing and giving a brief overview of the Victorinox Pioneer Swiss Army knife, and this is the Alox 2019 limited edition. So we have some info at the back of the box there. Now I'm not going to be getting into really specific technical details. There are various videos on YouTube on that, but this is basically a closer look at the limited edition version, since there aren't really many videos in that respect. So as you open the box, you get a bit of introductory info there in English and German, and next up you get some instructions on how to use the various tools in various languages, it seems. And of course there's the Swiss Army knife itself. So as you can see, it's a very nice gold color. They call this color champagne gold, and it is the main reason why I got this version, because I really love that particular color. On the back here you get the year 2019 engraved, since it is a limited edition. In terms of dimensions, this is 93 millimeters in length and 12 millimeters in height. So as you can see, it's got 2 layers of tools, and they all open up from this side, since it's an Alox. And just by way of comparison, here is your classic 58 millimeters Victorinox. So of course the Pioneer is much larger and thicker. Now onto the tools itself. So of course the main attraction on this is the blade. Very nice Victorinox blade that gives a really good grip because of its size. I haven't got really large hands, but this gives me a very nice grip. It's got some really good action on it. Next tool, if I can get these out. My nails are a shambles, unfortunately, as I bite them a lot. So over here you've got the bottle opener right there, and this is the 7.5 millimeter screwdriver. And over here you've got a wire stripper. So the way that works is you open up the knife again, you pull this up halfway, so you put the wire right there, and then the blade comes down on it. Alright, next tool, and this is a can opener, as well as a 3 millimeter screwdriver on the tip. If I can get this to focus. Anyway, and that just leaves the last tool over here, which is the reamer or punch or awl. And with this tool, we just close up the bottle opener, and with the reamer you can punch holes in various materials. You can punch holes in wood, in leather to make holes in belts, for instance, or watch straps, even in walls. This will manage to drill in. Of course, you keep turning this around, and it will get to the depth and what do you call it, circumference, according to how deep you get this tool in. And of course, one last thing which they still list as a tool is the keyring, which I think is a bit redundant, because I don't see anyone carrying this around on their key really, but it's there, it's optional, so you can get that off. Some people file the whole thing off, so that's up to you. Yeah, final thoughts. I really like this knife. I've been researching it quite a lot, and I decided to get it as my EDC Swiss Army knife of choice. And I will soon be getting an EDC leather caddy from Hitch and Timber in order to carry my EDC tools. This was an unboxing and quick overview of the knife which I intend to carry around, and that is the Victorinox Pioneer, and this was the limited edition Alox version for 2019. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.